Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Lucky Maths 2529. Today problem, find the nature of the roots of the 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. If real roots exist, find them. First of all, we will find out the nature of the roots. Then after, if the real roots exist, then after find the roots of the given quadratic equation. First of all, what is given equation? Write first. Given that 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So, in this equation compare with general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here the values of a, b, c I am writing. A equal to 3, b equal to with sign we write minus 4 root 3, c equal to 4. Okay, discriminant find out here. Discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac. Discriminant formula b square minus 4ac. Here b means minus 4 root 3 square minus 4ac. 4, a means 3, c means 4. Okay, observe here 4 root 3 whole square means 4 4s are 16, root 3 into root 3, 3. Here also 4 4s are 16 into 3. So 16 3s are 48, 16 3s are 48. Same value minus same value. So 0 will come. So what is the discriminant value? B square minus 4ac value what came? B square minus 4ac equal to 0 came. So real, two equal real roots exist. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0 means for this two real roots, two equal real roots, equal real roots exist. So if the real roots exist, find them asking. So now we will find the roots of the given quadratic equation. How to find out? The formula is there. We have to remember that formula. X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of, in this discriminant formula will come b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula to find the roots of the quadratic equations. So now we will solve the roots of the given quadratic equation by using this formula. This value total 0 came already. So minus b value minus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 plus or minus total value 0 will come. Okay, 2 into a value 3. Solve this one. Minus into minus plus, there is no need of writing, remain 4 root 3 in denominator 2 into 3. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are. What remain? 2 root 3 by root 3 came. 2 root 3 by 3 came. So in this quadratic equation x has two values. Same two values will come. The roots are, the required roots are also required roots are same. Two equal real roots here. 2 root 3 by 3, 2 root 3 by 3. This is the solution for the given problem. Thanks for watching. If you like my explanation, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.